Peep the technique.
GGV2 provides a vast selection of synths and FX for your creative projects. To access them, click on the Synths or FX button to open their respective panels. Use the search input to find a specific synth or FX by name. To add a synth or FX to your project, double-click on it to add it to the scene panel. Alternatively, click the Random button to add a random synth or FX. Synths are loaded directly into the current scene panel, while FX are added to the selected layer in the FX panel. You can reorder FX by simply dragging and dropping them within the rack. Remove FX by clicking the Remove button. If you want to apply FX to the general output, just click on the Output FX tab to open the FX rack. This operates in the same way as the Layer FX rack.